Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Use a flat-bottomed induction-compatible kettle or saucepan with 500 ml to 1 liter capacity. Measure 500 ml water for 2 cups. Check that the base is ferromagnetic and clean before heating. Position the pot centrally on the induction cooking zone so magnetic contact is stable and safety sensors detect it. If your cookware is too small, the hob may not activate. If too large, heat distribution can be uneven. Choose a lid to speed heating and reduce energy loss. And set the induction hob to medium heat, about 1200 W equivalent, and bring 500 ml of water to a near boil. Watch for small bubbles collecting on the base and steam rising. Those signs mean the water is hot enough for most teas. When small bubbles form and steam rises, switch off or reduce to low to avoid a rolling boil that scorches delicate leaves. Pour water over tea leaves and steep for recommended time, starting your timer immediately to ensure consistent strength. Use 1 teaspoon of loose tea or 1 tea bag per 250 ml. For stronger tea, use 5 teaspoons. Steep black tea 3 to 5 minutes, green tea 2 to 3 minutes, herbal 5 to 7 minutes, and shorten steeping for delicate white teas to 1 to 2 minutes. After steeping, remove leaves or strain into cups to stop extraction and prevent bitterness. Add milk, a sugar portion, honey, or lemon as preferred, stir gently, and serve immediately, while hot for best flavor and aroma.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.